Ricky, DJ Logan, Mojo Dojo, honestly, sexy time. Oh yeah. Well, thank you very much, darling. How are you, Samantha? Sexy time. Good time with Mo. Sexy time. Brando. Yeah. Sexy time. Short time, Mojo.
Yeah, it's okay. Samantha, come on, flirt back. I know you know what we're talking off air.
Alam mo, Samantha, I'm listening yesterday to Rico J. Puno, forbidden question. Nobody asked me a question. Like, Brando, kumusta naman kayo na Samantha? I say, masakit yung puso ko. Dahil akala niya, I'm always womanizing, I have lots of women. But no, I stand there just for you, Samantha. I heard that on air, and that the reason why I cannot hook up with me, tama ba yung stick, hook up? The hook up. You don't like to hook up with me is because I'm not committed. Now I will commit.
So you're ready?
I'm ready to commit, and responsibility, I'm growing up. Kahit na mga 1960s pa ako pinanganak, pero growing up na. Nag-adapt ako ng anak. Para ipakita sa'yo na, yung mga typical Pinoy family. Nakatira tayo sa Sampaloc.
Yeah.
With Sampaloc with second-hand box-type Lancer. And then, may political poster na nakapaskil sa pader. Mga halaman. Ganun yung bahay natin. Mga halaman na nakalagay sa bote ng kinabas na mineral water. Sexy time, diba? Kaya nag-adapt na ako ng anak para pwede na tayo mabuhay bilang pamilya.
Oo, Daddy.
Oo, halika. Punta ka rito. Yeah.
Ayo. Hindi nadakot ako sa'yo. Baka gustumin mo ako, Daddy.
Hindi ka bubugyan. I love you.
I love you too, Daddy.
Sexy time.
Sexy time, Daddy.
Alright. Yeah, appear tayo. Appear. Ano, happy ka na ba? Yan lang ba kailangan mo para mag-commit na tayo sa isa't isa? Samantha? O baka, balita ko may Brandon ka dyan ah. Lamang lang naman siya ng isang M. Brando, what the hell are you saying?
Is Brandon there? I'm sure he's there. Papa Brandon. Oh.
Lamang lang.
Brandon, let me introduce you to another. Well, no, it's the Brandon minus the O. Brando Braganza.
Lamang ka lang ng isang letra eh. Pare, ano ba happening dyan? Yeah, thank you. May kasamang bigote ba? May kasama pa ang bata. Hindi ka na safe ba?
He's trying to be you.
Slappy.
But then, you know what he beats you in? He sings.
Huh?
I heard he's the singing champ of
Nagbaon ako ng bata na marunong kumanta eh. Anak, pagkataan mo nga sila mga bagong tono, mga Eva Eugenio ang dating.
Kasi kagabi, hindi ako makapractice. Kasi binubog mo ako ng binubog.
Parang nakaisip tong anak ko. Ano ka siya, Brandon? Kumanta ka, ngayon at kailan na.
Sige na, Brandon, join in.
Hindi, itong anak ko eh. Ano ba pangalan itong batang ko? Ayan.
What's your name?
Brad.
Si Brad Braganza. Teka. Parang makikinig ng AM ah. Okay, mga traffic.com ah. Okay. Thank you very much. Nag-English pala ito. Okay. Thank you very much, Brandon and Samantha. Alagaan mo yung darling ko ah. Ready na kami commit. Bye-bye.
Thank you. That Travel Report and Sexy Time was being brought to you by the new generation throwing Diesel Max above all diesels.
Sexy time, man. Brad.
Yeah.
Okay.
By the way,